In a few years, China will have more than 1 billion people living in cities. So will India. But in India, we'll have a lot of challenges. How to overcome them? Hello everyone, welcome to Right Views. I am Rahul. A transition from a $2,000 per capita income country to a $10,000 per capita country requires urbanization, and now it is being proven. China was able to transition from $2,000 to about $10,000 by building more than 100 cities, each of more than 1 million people. That India will urbanize is a foregone conclusion. The question is, how easy will it be to manage these urban centers, and how much infrastructure we will be able to provide in these urban centers? That is the question. The transition from a $2,000 per capita economy to a $10,000 per capita economy comes from cities, because new ideas get created in cities. People meet each other, create new ideas, new products, new innovations. They create mechanisms to address the local demand, even state demand, national demand, maybe international demand. These kinds of companies are formed to address bigger challenges. They are able to get financing from banks and equity investors to create their ventures and exploit this economic opportunity. That is what creates growth. And that will happen if we provide a certain level of infrastructure in these towns and cities. But what is the situation in India? In India, the urban centers are classified as follows. Have a look at this chart. This is based on 2011 census. So we have what I call mega cities, which is cities with population more than 3 million. Then we have metro cities, which is population between 1 million to 3 million. Then we have small cities or cities which have population between 500,000 people to about 1 million people. And then we have towns which have population less than 500,000 but more than 100,000. Now we have about 10 mega cities, about 40 metro cities, we have about 50 small cities, and we have about 200 towns. Now the infrastructure that is being created in the metro cities and the mega cities is already overburdened. That infrastructure is not enough to create opportunities and growth for the population like we want, if we want to grow from $2,000 to $10,000. To achieve that, we need to start building infrastructure not only in the mega cities and the metro cities, but we should start building infrastructure from the towns and in smaller cities. That infrastructure will prevent people migrating from these smaller towns and smaller cities into mega cities and metro cities. It will at least not aggravate the burden on the mega cities and metro cities. And B, it will create a more vibrant urban center which can scale up without facing those problems which the metro cities and mega cities have encountered because of haphazard development. How to achieve that is the question. One suggestion that I can make is to create a sort of a virtual forum across the country where all the mayors, the administrators, the councillors of these municipal councils or municipalities, which are basically the governing bodies of towns and cities and municipal corporations also, they have a sort of a virtual forum like our Reddit, and sort of create that knowledge resources to share different strategies that they employ in their own cities. Now, we can make some of these urban development experts as part of these forums to assist the councillors and administrators in drafting these policies and solving their challenges. Now, this process will help create a sort of a knowledge base at a town level. A separate knowledge base can be created at a city level, and also for metro cities and mega cities, so that the mayors and administrators, the councillors, they can solve these problems more effectively. We'll also be able to rank based on whatever they have shared and whatever they have executed in the city. We can rank these officials based on their performance, and once they have higher ranks, you can promote them, let's say from a head of a town to an administrator in the city, and from the city he can graduate to a metro city and mega city, and so on. This forum will help us create a knowledge base so that urbanization is more systematic, it is more directed and not haphazard, so that future development and expansion becomes easy and seamless. As the cities are developing themselves at the state and national level, it is also important to have an overarching urbanization strategy as to developing certain economic centers of gravity in certain places. These kinds of inputs can be shared within the forum, allowing various cities to compete for such kind of economic centers of gravity, and it can also lead to better infrastructure development at an earlier stage. I believe this kind of forum will not only create the required development goals, it will also create learning and knowledge base which we can use to anticipate and solve future urban problems going forward. We will discuss more such strategies for better urbanization of India in future videos. So do subscribe to our channel, follow us on Twitter, Instagram and other social media. Visit our website, we have some more blogs and articles there. Do join us for our long form discussion on our podcast. The links and everything is in the description and on our website. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.